we have another example on the board. Please notice that we are dealing with the product. So, in order to solve this problem, we're supposed to first convert the radical sign to the exponent. So I'm going to rewrite this problem as x squared times x minus 2 to power 1/2, where x squared is going to be my u. Okay, x minus 2 to power 1/2 is my v. So I'm supposed to simply write that u is equal x squared. U prime is equal to x. V is equal x minus 2 to power 1/2. V prime is equal 1/2 x minus 2. 1/2 minus 2 over 2 will give me negative 1/2. And the derivative of the content of the parenthesis is going to give me 1. Dx over dx is going to give me 1. That's why I'm not going to write anything over here. So this is my v prime. So now we're supposed to use the formula for the derivative of the product. So I have y prime is equal u. U is x squared times v prime, derivative of v, 1/2 x minus 2 to power negative 1/2 plus v. V is x minus 2 to power 1/2 times u prime, which is equal to x. I do not write the formula for the derivative of the product because I want you to memorize it, okay? So we have y prime is equal x squared times 1/2 is simply x squared over 2 x minus 2 to power negative 1/2 plus 2x x minus 2 to power 1/2. Okay, so this is my first derivative. In order to find the second derivative, I'm supposed to find the derivative of the first derivative. Okay, but please notice that we have like the sum, right, of two terms. So we have to find the derivative of the first term and derivative of the second term. So let's talk about the first term. Okay, this is my first term. So I'm going to call this u1, and this is going my v1, and this is my u2, and this is my v2. Okay, just to distinguish the difference between the calculations, right, which we are going to perform on the board. So we have u1 is equal x squared over 2. In other words, this is 1/2 x squared, right? So I have u1 prime, the derivative of u1 is equal 1/2 times the exponent x, and 2 minus 1 is 1, that's why I'm not going to write it. This is equal, 2 and 2 cancels out, simply x. Next we're supposed to find v1. So I have v1 is x minus 2 to power negative 1/2. v1 prime is equal negative 1/2 x minus 2, and negative 1/2 minus 2 over 2 will give me negative 3 over 2. So this is my v1 prime. Next, we're going to calculate u2, which is equal 2x, and u2 prime is equal simply 2. And we have v2 is equal 1 minus 2 to power 1/2 x minus 2 to power 1/2, and I have v2 prime equals 1/2 x minus 2 to power negative 1/2 times the derivative of the content of the parenthesis is equal 1, because derivative of x is 1. So this is my v2 prime. Next, we're supposed to find the second derivative. So if second derivative is equal, I'm supposed to use the formula for the product, for the derivative of the product of two factors for this part of my equation and for this one, right? So I have u1. u1 is 1/2 x squared times v1 prime. v1 prime is equal negative 1/2 x minus 2 to power negative 3 over 2 plus, okay, v is x minus 2 to power negative 1/2 times u prime, which is equal x. Okay, so I'm finished with this part of my equation. So next I have to go to the second one, plus, again, the derivative for the product, u. In this case, it's going to be u2. So I have 2x times v2 prime 1/2 x minus 2 to power negative 1/2 plus v2. In this case, we have x minus 2 to power 1/2 times u2 prime, which is 2. Okay, now we're supposed to multiply and combine the like terms. So if second derivative is equal negative x squared over 4, and I have x minus 2 to power negative 3 over 2 plus x, and I have x minus 2 to power negative 1/2. 2 and 2 will cancel out over here, so I'm going to have plus x minus 2 to power negative 1/2 plus 2x minus 2 to power 1/2. Now we're supposed to combine the like terms and convert the exponents to radicals. So I'm going to have y b is equal negative, going to write x squared over 4, and I'm going to convert this exponent to radicals. So I'm going to have square root x minus 2 to power third, okay, plus x times x minus 2 to power negative 1/2 plus x minus 2 to power 1/2 will give me 2x over square root of x minus 2, and I have plus 2 times square root of x minus 2. And this is my solution to this problem.